Try this one.
So Luca's drinking child wine.
Oh, this is so
Luca, you're drinking.
very strange.
Yeah.
It's extreme.
Wait.
Second campsite, second nice spring day, second bike ride. Let's go. The smell, it's amazing, guys. We can smell the spring all around here.
See, and look at this boat.
Did you see the missile?
The
on the boat?
Where is it?
Yeah,
Oh, it's on the side there.
the small one.
Yeah, and then there's the helicopter.
There's also a huge gun.
The white one. Yeah.
By standing
one in the front,
here,
one in the back.
you would not think that this is the third largest city in Turkey. It looks small, but then you look around you and it's all Izmir, so I guess it's bigger than we think. And then we found the statue. Unfortunately, everything is in Turkish, so there's no translation. I have no idea what it's saying, but the view is still lovely and so peaceful today, except for Cosimo. Up there, there's a mountain, and you can take the telepheric and go up. We don't have enough time to do that during our stay here, but we can look at the mountain from our campsite. So, so we walked just a few steps, and there's another playground.
You ready?
This area is playground heaven. Oh, and also for Daddy, apparently. Is this what you're going to be doing now?
Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Yay! Yeah, me too!
You have the mountains on one side and the sea on the other. In Izmir, there's many things you can go and see, but sometimes we just
Need nature.
and we just don't go see anything. We just enjoy a day, walking around, maybe getting things done that we have to get done, or just simply hanging out. So
Sometimes you need to relax.
probably we won't see much of Izmir, but that doesn't mean we're not enjoying a place just because we're not going to see all the tourist sites.
Yes.
It means we're enjoying it because we're just enjoying the place as it is without having to go see the tourist stuff.
After all 4 years traveling, we learn that you need just to enjoy the city. Just go around and see the stuff that is not touristy.
Or something that's worth it for you. So today the kids want to play at the playground and we wanted to go for a bike ride, and we're all happy.
Compromise.
Yeah. This is Izmir from us to you.
World Explorer, new day, new adventure for us. Today we're gonna show you Ephesus. We are preparing us, see, because we have our house again. So everybody had breakfast, and now we gonna have a new ride. We're gonna go with the horses.
They're not like horses that you ride on their backs. You ride on this.
Yeah, I thought it was on the back.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
We got the horses.
So when you come to Ephesus, they suggest that you go from a different entrance, so then you walk down.
She is doing our Instagram stories.
So now we are ready to go.
You gotta look on Instagram to see what she's saying, but they might already be gone by then. Hi.
Hi.
Luca, are you excited to go on the horse? Are you excited to go on the horse, Emma? I'm very excited. And now we are getting on the carriage.
Baby on this side, be next to me.
Guys, I have to sit down.
So we're smushed back here. Is it fun, Luca?
Yeah. We're not going back here.
So we are going in the carriage with the horses, like they were going in the old days.
This is how we make this adventure today more interesting, by going on the horses. It's a bumpy road.
This is
We have Emma, the videographer, and Daddy, same thing. Hi, Emma.
Hi.
They're running, they're running. They're running. It's not fair because we are 5, they were 3.
Papa, we're 6, they were 4.
This horseback riding, it's really long because this city it's really spread along the entire mountain. Emma's trying to take a picture of everybody and look at his face. Cosimo has a mommy moment right now.
But he's not appreciating it.
Oh!
He said all the time, why I don't have a moment with mommy and now have a moment with mommy.
Only for passing on.
They're still in the carriage of the aqueduct.
What's left of it?
The guy from there, when we parked the campervan, he showed me the book, how it was before and now it is now. What happens is, because they have 7 earthquakes throughout the year, and little by little they were breaking down pieces of the city. This city, it was on the 3rd century before Christ, and it was a very strategic point. That's why many civilizations after the Hellenic people they arrived here, they want to conquer this area because it was, as you can see, on the delta, and it was all surrounded by water. This one was a main port where they were exchange all kind of goods.
This morning I told Luca that we were going to a place where he could climb all the rocks, and of course he's climbing rocks up there somewhere with other kids.
This is the Great Wall of China. Before the
It's
Great
the
Wall
Great
of
Wall
China.
of Ephesus.
The Great Wall of Ephesus before the Great Wall of China.
This one they call Bouleuterion because Boule means at that time it was consul. It was built from Emperor Antoninus in 138 AD, and it was built because again the consul, they were coming here, they group each other and they start deciding things for the city. But after a while they started using it for musical performance and contest. After the first earthquake, everything came down, but it was completely covered in the roof.
Luca, you found a cool spot here.
Crush it.
Yeah.
Smash it. Move it. Lift it. Build it.
This guys was a security scan for that time.
I am the first.
No, you're the third.
I'm the second.
No, you're the third.
I'm the second.
Emma's the second, you're the third.
I'm actually the tallest.
No, you're not. The first, Emma's the second, you were the third.
This place is closed because they are still working on it, and they found a lot of mosaic and a lot of like wall decoration, so they try to restore it. That's why they have to cover everything. They're still working and put the pieces together. So you can see the ground, we're walking on it. This was a reconstruction of the old Rome, how they found all the pieces. Emma is recording everything. See, she is Dora the Explorer. Emma. And Cosimo instead is the master of reels.
Don't worry, cuz you'll be just fine.
I don't know about this, Emma. They're really uncomfortable in your hand.
Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the ball are gonna come in.
Emma?
Let's see, right here. Perfect.
And
Oh, 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 oh. Thanks, Emma. You're the best. Ah. Ah! You should fly. They should invent a GoPro that can just fly. You just throw it in. Woo!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
Luca, now you show me this. Show me it. Show me
No,
the.
you go away.
Okay.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss
We left Ephesus behind and now we are in Sirinci, which is on top of the mountain. It's a little village. You can apparently do a lot of wine tasting. They sell marmalades, which I think we're going to try. There's just a bunch of little shops.
stuff.
Where you can buy stuff.
A lot of dolls. A lot of
Mas gave us
dolls.
money.
We're talking to you, Cuzzy.
And he didn't come to control, so who knows what we're going to get. Really have a plan. We're just kind of walking around. Well, Luca's getting carried as usual.
I'm not walking.
Can you carry me?
Oh, this crochet stuff.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
There's donkey milk, so.
Oh, this is a church.
Oh, that's a beautiful.
We got into like a graduation. We're just following the people, see where they go. Did you see?
And look, it comes.
So these are blueberries.
But actually, they get red berries.
No, those are blackberries.
Blackberries, yeah. And I guess that's the juice.
Wow.
I guess they produce that here. We are on a street and this is a wood oven right off the street. So they can
rock.
So we stopped in a little cafe before we continue exploring, and we trying their traditional tahini fig dessert. Yes,
It's fig dessert.
it's fig.
Just say
with,
fig.
with something inside that Emma's gonna taste.
She makes me taste it first in case it's terrible.
Yeah, because I used to do that when you were little. Ooh, that's all tahini, I think, dripping. It tastes like what? Peanut butter. So you're not sure about it.
Mom, you try being.
It's Mom's turn.
Okay, so they have the nut inside.
Oh.
It's good. Like peanut butter because this is tahini.
Fish peanut butter.
See, and they put a walnut inside.
What? Bum bum.
Are you gonna
bum.
No.
This area, this is the most famous one. But if you like sweet taste, I have local sangria. It has 6 different kind of fruit inside. Local sangria.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Bu ardından
Oh wow, it's so weird to think that this is just fruit.
küçüklerden aç istiyorsan. Oluyor ama çabuk.
I don't know if I could drink this as a wine. Here, Luca, you can smell it.
Smells like jam.
What do you think?
Oh wow, it smells like jam.
Make you taste wine for child.
For kids.
It's for kids.
No alcohol.
Wow.
This is the grape juice fermented with
Oh yeah, like this.
Oh, okay.
Wait, that's for kids, but you only
Kids can
have.
drink it.
Try this one.
So Luca's drinking child wine. Drink it.
Very strange.
Yeah.
It's extreme.
Wait.
Wait, let me try.
Or I have pineapple if you want. Because the mutard.
No, now
That's a little weird. Ooh.
Ooh, pineapple wine. Nuts.
It's gonna help you to reset your taste.
Yeah.
But look at all the wine. This is called child wine. Or maybe it was that one. Or maybe it was that one. I'm not sure. Anyway, we just had child wine. Didn't really like it though.
When I always drink wine, but not real wine.
What? You never drink wine.
Yeah, like
I'm
I
never
never.
gonna think that I get you drunk.
I never buy.
Luca,
Fruit wine,
they have
yes.
banana wine.
Where?
And peach wine.
Oh, where?
so all these
Banana wine.
So you
It's
make
true.
all these fruit wines
It exists.
here. It's like typical thing of here, of this town.
And they were making their fruit wines. We still keep their culture alive.
You guys smell?
It's just so funny to smell it and think that you don't even taste the alcohol actually.
Yeah, but they are not that innocent.
I guess, yeah, when you drink all of it, you're like,
Sweet things affect your blood faster than others. That's
Yeah,
why with fruits you get drunk faster than
Corn tastes
Semillon.
like popcorn.
yawn.
Luca, this is popcorn. Try it. It's just not popped. Bite it and you'll taste the popcorn. Do you taste it? She bought a lot of wine.
A bottle of that and I'll get this one.
this one.
Yes, I think I'll buy a lot of wine.
Blueberry wine, melon wine, melon wine, rose wine, cherry wine, peach wine,
It's white.
blackberry wine,
It's just a white wine.
The one
pineapple
you
wine,
don't want to try.
blueberry,
It's sweet.
rose,
Oh, it's very sweet.
plum, pineapple, pomegranate, peach, cherry, mango wine. We're looking at you, Kazi. How did you like your kids' wine? Okay, from 1 to 10. 1 being terrible and 10 being really good.
This means one.
Oh, 1. Kids' wine. I think kids should probably just wait till they like
What is
it.
yours?
I did the testing all by myself.
I tried kids' wine. It was not good.
And mommy did try fat wine.
It was
no,
just the
it's
wine
big.
bottle.
So now we are gonna go back because we did everything we had to do here. Oh, maybe we should buy a jelly though. Okay,
Jelly.
no, we have to buy one more thing. Black blueberry.
Okay.
Oh, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah. Can we buy one, please?
Lemon, orange.
This one bak.
What's that?
Yaban dağ çiçeği. Have a look.
Oh, wild fig marmalade with pistachio.
This very nice. Bir de bak bu.
Jam, fig jam with hazel.
Today we're gonna show you Ephesus. Ephesus. Sorry, the pronunciation.
Or Ephes.
Oh, Ephes. It's a bit edgy. How do you say? I don't know. I say edgy.
Okay, so we left Ephesus behind. We left.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
and Puma Jump Sky channel. Bye bye.
Huh?